Hey everyone, Zach here with GP Cycleworks, and today we're excited to announce our version 2 windshields for the Honda Rebel SE cowling. They put this on the 500 and the 1100, and we make a windshield and mounting hardware to add on and really get some added wind protection. We've got a few other videos if you want to check out. This is going to be mainly about our version 2 windshield, new and improved, much better rider experience, and also a slightly easier installation. All right, so the biggest question we get about this windshield is what's different and how to install it. These were our version 1 brackets that mounted right here on the cowling, which are no longer available. They're replaced by our version 2 brackets, which really let the windshield tilt back a little further and are also a little easier to install. So normally the windshield's a little more upright with the version 1 brackets, and now it's going to be laid back a little more for better wind protection. So the main difference is these mounting brackets. So they are going to use the same bolts. So really, if you watch the installation video, it's actually going to be pretty much the same thing, minus this bracket. We'll be using that version 1 bracket in the other video. And this is our version 2 bracket, which take off that bolt, put this there on top, and then mount the bolt back on, and you are good to go. So it's going to, pretty much key in and follow this line. And you can switch up the lefts and rights, but it's pretty difficult because it's pretty hard to install. So as long as it goes on there, you've got the right one on the right side, and that's going to be the only difference in installation. We'll also include the rubber well nuts for mounting the windshield. So we will put everything on and we will show you how it looks. Alright, so as you can see, the installation is very simple with these new brackets, and it really makes a nice windshield, a nice pocket with that angled back windshield. So we were really only covering that today. We've got some other videos that talk more about our windshield and the hardware, so go watch those videos if you have any other questions that we didn't answer. If there's anything that's not in those videos, or you just want to ask us here, comment below or shoot us an email and give us a call, whatever you want to do, and get in touch with us. And we can get a custom windshield made for your SE that really provides good wind protection and can be installed in less than a few minutes.